all. I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe, and welcome to all of you on the YouTube channel. And today we all are here. If you have read the thumbnail, we all are here for the 20 most important questions for the TISSNET 2024. We are running this series, and today in this video we are on the set number 6. I hope you have already watched all the previous 5 parts. Means almost we have covered 20 questions in each part, like total 100 questions we have covered, and today next 20 questions we will cover. All are important as the TISSNET point of view. So if you haven't watched, then must watch those videos. And let's start this one now. So without wasting any time, we will directly jump towards the questions. You can see your first question on the screen. Let's try to solve it. In this question, they are saying that find out the wrong number in the series. Series is given, we have to find out the wrong number. Let's try to see what they have given in this series. 1, 2, 6, 15, 31, 56 and 91. What is this series? Let's see. We can see there is no any multiple or like that. वहाँ पे कोई multiple तो नहीं दिख रहा है. So we will find out the difference. What is this difference? This one is increasing by +1, +4, +9, 15, 15, it will be +16. This one will be +25. This one is a +35. Now, if you observe this series, you will get to know. As I always say, कि अगर squares को relatives बना दिया, तो देखते ही समझ जाएगा कौन है. So you can see these numbers are relatives. You can say 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So this must be 6 square. So this must be +36. So this number should be 92, but they have given as a 91. So wrong number will be 91. That will be your answer. That's it. Easier. Now let's go for the next one. This is your question number 2 on the screen. Try to solve it. You can pause the video and try to solve. During 1 year, the population of town increased by 5%, and during the next year, population decreased by 5%. If the total population is 9975 at the end of the second year, then what was the population size in the beginning of the first year? In first year, 5% increase, second year, 5% decrease. So suppose initial population was a X. On a first year, 5% increase means into 105 by 100 as a 5%. Second year, 5% decrease. That means out of 100, it will be 95. So that it becomes 9975. That's it. Let's try to solve it. This ratio will be 21 by 20. This ratio will be 19 by 20. So X will be what? 9975 into 20 whole divided by 21 into 19. If I cancel out by 21, you can see here 21 4s are 84. There will be 15, right? Then 21 7s are 147. There will be 10, 21 5s are 105. Now, if I cancel out this one by 19, 19 2s are 36. There will be 9, 19 5s are 95. So X will be 25 into 20 will be 400. 25 4s are will be 100. So initially population was 10,000. That's it. Your answer will be option number A. Easier. Now let's jump towards the next one. Question number 3 here, which is a logical question, we can say. Yes, it's a calculative, but we need some logics also. Vidushi and Sanya distributes ₹100 each in a charity. Two friends are there and each of them are distributing 100 rupees to the charity. Vidushi distribute money to 5 more people than Sanya. Means if Sanya is distributing a 5 people or X people, Vidushi will distribute to X plus 5 people because 5 people are extra. And Sanya gives each ₹1 more than the Vidushi. How many people are recipient of the charity? Now let's see. We will solve it like this one. Vidushi. This is your Sanya. Then what we can say in terms of the number of people. Okay. In terms of the people, I know that Vidushi is what? Vidushi is 5 more people than this Sanya. So if Sanya is distributing to X people, Vidushi will distribute to X plus 5 people. 5 people are extra. And in terms of money, Sania distribute 1 rupees more than the Vidushi. So if suppose Vidushi is distributing Y rupees, then Sania distribute Y plus 1 rupee. And this total is what? X plus 5 into Y is equal to 100. Similarly, this one X into Y plus 1 is equals to what? 100, because they are saying that both of them are distributing 100 rupees each. So can I say that these values will be equal? Let's equate them then. X plus 5 into Y is equal to X into Y plus 1. What will it be? Xy plus 5y is equal to xy plus x. So you can see xy cancelled. Value of x is equal to 5y. Now let's substitute this value in any of this equation. If I substitute here, it will be what? X is equal to 5y. If I substitute here, what will it be? X is the 5y into y plus 1 is equal to 100. So you can see 5 ones are 5 20s are. So it will be what? Y square plus y is equal to 20. So as per the quadratic one, I can write down y square plus y minus 20 is equal to 0. So which two numbers are there? Whose sum is a 1 and multiplication is a minus 20. 5 4s are 20 plus 5 minus 4. What will it be? Plus 5 minus 4 are the numbers which will give you 5 4s are 20. 5 minus 4 is a 1. So value of y will be minus 5 or plus 4. As I know that y is in the money. Money cannot be negative. So obviously value for y will be what? 4 here. Is it? Value for the y is a 4. We get here from the quadratic equation. Now I will substitute these values. If y is a 4, that means Vidushi is distributing 5 rupees, then Sania is distributing y plus 4 plus 1 means 5 rupees. If value of y is a 4, then what will be the value of x? X will be what? 5 4s are. So x will be equals to 5 into 4, that means x will be 20. So you can say that this x is equal to 20. So x plus 5 will be 20 plus 5 means 25. So total number of people will be how much? 20 plus 25. So total people will be 45 number of people will be there in that charity. So your answer will be 45. As I said, this question was quite logical. So answer will be 45. That is your option number A. But you can use the option method here. As we know that total rupees are the total people are what? We know that 5 people are more. So if I am taking option number A, अगर 45 में से 5 people extra है, मतलब 5 minus कर दूँ तो 40 को half up कर दूँ तो 20. That means एक ने 20 लोगों को दिया होगा तो second ने 25 people को. If you are taking a 60 से 5 minus कर दूँ तो 55 आता है, 55 को half कर दूँ तो 27.5. People cannot be 0.5. Similarly for 90 से minus 5 कर दूँ तो 85. Means at least 80 people में से 85 को half out कर दूँ तो it will be what? 42.5, which is not possible. So of course number of people can be what? I should get the values of people where x and other will be x plus 5. So it should be 20 and 25. So option number A will be the answer. So it was an optional method, was more easier for this question. I hope you understood. Now let's go for the next one. Question number 4 is here on the screen. Let's try to solve it. You can pause the video and try to solve. The compound interest on a sum of money for 2 years is rupees 832 and simple interest on the same for the same period is this, for same sum for the same period is the 800. What I know that for 2 years SI is equals to what? 800 and CI is equals to what? 832. So can I say that for 2 years this difference is a 32 rupees difference between SI and CI? If it is for the first year, so what can I say that for 1 year SI will be obviously a 400 because I know that SI is the same for each year. So it will be half of it. For first year it will be 400. Second year again 400 will be added. So total is 800. And CI will be also 400 on the first year. And on the second year it is a 832. That means this 32 rupees extra. ये जो 32 rupees extra आ रहे हैं वो किस पे अप्लाई होंगे? at least on a principal दोनों पे भी apply हो रहा है. So that is the interest on interest. ये जो extra का difference जा रहा है 32, that is the rate for on what this interest, that means on the CI. So can we find out the R here? यहाँ पे 400 rupees पे R% अप्लाई करने के बाद एक्स्ट्रा की अमाउंट आ रही है 32. तो एटलीस्ट पी पर तो हुआ ही था, एटलीस्ट पी पर 400 तो ऐड हो ही रहा है. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ आर हियर? डबल जीरो कैंसल्ड, आर विल बी इक्वल्स टू 8%. इज इट? if r is the 8%, I know that up to 2 year 32 rupees were the extra. Now for the third year, what will be the rate of interest here? Sorry, what will be the extra CI will be added? So can we find out it now? Let's try to find out it. Now I know that on this 832, 8% will be added on the third year. Second year तक मैंने already calculate कर लिया 32. So for the third year, now I will find out only for the third year. Because I know that here it will be 1200 because total जो है फिर से 400 ही add होना है. But यहाँ पे कितना apply होगा? On this 832, 8% will be applied. So 832 पे 8% means how much will be? It will be 8 to the 16 carries the 1, 24 plus 1 25 carries the 2, 64 plus 2 is the 66 divided by 100 means 66.56 will be extra. Extra means what will be the total CI after 3 years? Total interest, or you can say that total CI, which is nothing but the difference between CI and SI. So total CI will be, that means you can say that 32 for the second year plus 66.56, which will be equals to difference between SI and CI, difference of CI SI for 3 years, which will be equals to what will be the sum? 0.56 as it is. 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 3 9. So your answer will be 98.56 rupees will be extra. That will be the difference between the SI and CI. Because this amount will become then 66 rupees will get added. So 832 plus 66, this amount will become what? 1298.56. On the third year, this will be the amount actually, not the CI. Okay, this will be your amount. We are talking about the amount. SI is the 400, 400. So your answer will be 98.56. Now let's go for the next one. Question number 5 is here, which is of the logarithm. Log, the value of log base 3, 4, log 4 base 3 into log 5 base 4 into log 6 base 5 into log 7 base 6 into log 8 base 7 into log 9 base 8. Is it up to this? And we have to find out the value of this equation. How will we write it? Log 4 by log 3 into log 5 by log 4 into log 6 by log 5 into log 7 by log 6 into log 8 by log 7 into log 9 by log 8. Now what can we get cancelled? You can see log 4 cancel, log 5, log 6, log 7, log 8 cancel. So what will be remaining? Log 9 divided by log of 3. Now log 9 I can write down as a log 3 square divided by log 3. So this 2 will come here. 2 log 3 divided by log 3 will be equals to what? Log 3 cancelled. It will be equals to. So your answer was option number A is the answer. Easier. This question was really easy. Now let's go for the next one. Question number 6 is here, which is of the HCF LCM. The LCM of the two numbers is a 45 times of their HCF. If one of the number is a 125 and sum of HCF and LCM is a 1150, the other number is. Suppose HCF is equal to X. Then LCM will be equals to what? 45 times of the HCF, means 45x. Then they are saying that the sum of HCF plus LCM is given as a 1150. This will be 46x is equal to 1150. 23 2s are 23 5s are 2 into 25s are. So you can say that value of x is a 25. That means HCF is equal to 25. LCM will be equal to 45 into 25. Now they have given you one number, we have to find out the other number. We have the relation between them. What is it? HCF into LCM is equal to first number into the second number, product of those numbers. Where HCF is a 25, LCM will be 45 into 25. One number is given as a 125, second number we have to find. What will it be? 25 ones are 25 fives are 5 into 9s are. 25 9s are will be 225. So the other number will be equals to 225. That is your option number B. Easier. This question was easier, only this was the logic. Otherwise, nothing was. Let's go for the next one now. Question number 7 is here. A person's present age is a 2/5 of the age of his mother. Suppose person P is equal to 2/5 of the mother. So you can say that person to mother ratio is a 2:5. After 8 years, he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. Means after 8 years, this ratio will be 1/2. Then what is the present age of his mother? So you find out the person by mother, it will be 2x by 5x. After 8 years means plus 8, which will be 1/2. So if you solve it, you will get 4x plus 16 is equal to 5x plus 8. 5x minus 4x is the 1x is equal to 8. So present age of the mother was equals to what? It was a 5x. So 5 8s are 40. So your answer will be equals to 40 years is the present age of the mother. Option number C is the answer. That's it. Now let's go for the next one. Question number 8 is here. The mark price of a watch was of 720 rupees. A man bought the same for rupees 550.80 after getting two successive discounts. First being a 10%, what is the second discount? Now what we know that mark price is a 720. On this, if I get a first discount of 10%, that means it will be into 90 by 100. 10% चला गया. On the second one, it will be 100 minus x. X की जो भी value minus x, it divided by 100, which will be equals to what? 550.80. Is it? Then let's solve it. What we will do here? You can see this double zero cancelled. 72 into 9 will be 9 2s are 18, carries the 1, 9 7 are 63 plus 1 is a 64 into 100 minus x. ये 100 वहां पे जाके multiply हो जाएगा. It will be equal to 55080. Now can I cancel out this number here only? By which number can I cancel? If I cancel by the 4, simply पहले 4 से ही करके देखते हैं. Or you can see 8 8s are, yeah, you can cancel by the 8 also. 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are 8 6 are 48. 48 means there will be 7. 8 8s are 64, there will be 6. 8 8s are 64, there will be 4. 8 5s are 40. Now can I cancel by 9 again? 9 9s are 81. 9 7s are 63, there will be 5. 9 8s are 50. Sorry, 9 6s are 54. There will be 4. 9 5s are 45. Can I cancel by 9 again? 9 into 100 minus x is equals to 765. 9 6 are, sorry, 9 7, 9 8 are 72. There will be 4. 9 5s are 45. So 100 minus x is equal to 85. So x will be equals to 100 minus 85 is 15%. Your answer will be 15. That is option number B will be the answer. That's it. Easier. Now let's go for the next one. This is based on the chain rule question. Let's see what are they saying. A certain number of men can finish a piece of work in a 100 days. What I know that number of men into days. This is your chain rule, right? Total work M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. This is our chain rule. So they are saying that suppose X number of people are there and they require 100 days. So X number of member into 100 days. But now what happened? If there were 10 men less, then it would take 10 days extra. 10 less mean that means अगर initially x थे तो now it will be x minus 10. Then it is taking a 10 days extra. तो अगर initially 100 days लग रहे हैं तो now it will require 110 days because 10 days extra. Then they are saying how many men were there originally. So it will be what? 100 x is equals to 110x minus 1100. 110 minus 100 will be what? 10x is equals to 1100. So value of x will be 110. This will be your answer. Easy. That's it. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 10 is here on the screen. If a train runs at its 40 km per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. But if it runs at 50 km per hour, it is late by 5 minutes early. 5 minutes only. Okay, late by 5 minutes means 5 minutes late. The correct time for the train to complete the journey. Now, as we know that distance is the same. If distance is the same, can we say that distance is equal to speed into time? So if distance is equal, I can say that S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. Is it? On the first one, what is the first speed? It is a 40. When they are going with the 40, he required an extra time which is a 11 minutes. Means if he required a T time, he will require a T plus 11. But if he is going with a 50 km per hour, then he is late by 5 minutes only. That means plus 5. If you solve this, it will be what? 40t plus 440 is equal to 50t plus 250. 50 minus 40 is a 10t. 250 अगर चला जाता है तो it will be 190. So value of t will be equals to 19 minutes. That will be your answer, and that's it. Easier. Option number C will be the answer. That's it. Let's go for the next one now. Question number 11 is here. What are they saying in this question? 6 plus 15 plus 24 plus 37 plus up to the 105. We have to find out the sum of all. 6 plus 15 plus 24 plus 37 plus 105. Now, if you find out this term, you can see this is the arithmetic progression because this is increasing by the plus 9, plus 9. So you can say that A is equals to 6 first term. Last term N is equal to 105. And difference D is equal to 9. Can we find out the N? How many terms are there? What we know that N is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So N is a 105 which is equal to 6 plus N minus 1 into 9. This 5 will get subtracted. 105 minus 9 is a 99 which is equal to N minus 1 into 9. So 9 into 11s are, this 1 will get added. So N will be equal to 12. Now I know that number of terms are the 12 there. So can we find out this sum? Sum of the N is equals to N by 2 in bracket first term plus last term, where 12 by 2 in bracket first term is a 6, last term is a 105. So this will be what? 6 times. 6 times of what? 105 plus 6 will be 111. So it will be equal to triple. So your answer will be equals to option number C. That is 666 will be your answer. Total sum will be 666. That's it. Now let's go for the next one. Question number 12 is here on the screen, which is of the calendar topic. And this is the important question as they had asked in a snap paper actually. How many days are there in X weeks, X days? X weeks, X days. Now what I know that 1 week is equal to how many days? 1 week is equal to 7 days. So X week will be equals to what? X into 7 days plus X days. So it will be what? 7x plus x means total will be 8x days. That's it. Completely conceptual. 1 week में 7 days होते तो 7 week में 7x days plus x means 8x days. That's it. Easier. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 13 is here on the screen. How many 3 digits number can be formed from the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. These are the numbers which are divisible by 5 and none of the digits is repeated. Now, divisible by 5. What is the rule of divisibility of 5? Unit digit should be either 0 or 5. Now, there is no any 0. 0 तो है ही नहीं. So obviously there are 3 digits number. For this only 5 can be there. That means for this one I have only one option. There is no any other option. So 5 I should not repeat. So I can't repeat this 5. Then for the second digit, how many options do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means इस digit के लिए मेरे पास 5 options होंगे. Then it should not be repeat. So for this remaining one, after 5, suppose if I take a 2, remaining will be 4. So what will be the options here? 4 into 5 will be 20. That means I can form only 20 numbers which will be divisible by 5 without any preparation. That's it. Easier. Let's go for the next one now. Question number 14 is here. Now this question is important. We'll solve by using the basic average. There were 35 students in a hostel. Due to the admission of 7 new students, the expenses of the mess were increased by 42 rupees per day, while the average expenditure per head diminished by rupees 1. What was the original expenditure of the mess? Let's assume here now. What I know that number of students means n is equal to 35. And suppose each person required a x rupees. So what was the initial sum? Sum was a 35x. This was your initial. Now what about the new? They are saying that 7 new members added. If 7 new members added, what will be the n? 35 plus 7 means 42. And average is what? That value has been diminished by 1 rupee. So average will become what? X minus 1. So what will be this new sum? New sum will be 42 into x minus 1. But as per the question, what are they saying that? Due to which this total sum has been increased by rupees 42 per day. That means in this 35x, 42 rupees has been added. So that new sum becomes 42 into x minus 1. So it will become 35x plus 42 is equal to 42x minus 40. What will it be? 45 minus 42 will be 35. 42 minus 35 will be 7x. Minus 42 will get added here. 42 is a 84. So x will be what? X will be 12. So they have asked you what was the initial expenditure, original expenditure. Original expenditure was 35x means 35 into 12. 12 5 is 60, carry the 6. 36 plus 6 will be 42. So your answer will be what? 420 is your answer. That's it. Easier. Option number A will be the answer. Understood? Let's go for the next one now. Question number 15 is here. In a bag, there are coins of 25 paisa, 10 paisa and 5 paisa. 25 paise, 10 paise and 5 paise. And the ratio of their values in the coins means the coins in the ratio 1:2:3. Means coins ka ratio kya hai? 1:2:3. So what will be this value? Because they are saying that there are total 30 rupees in all. So if you take a 25 paise ke one coin, you will have a 25 paisa. If you are taking a 2 coin of 10 paisa, you will have the 25 paisa. 3 coins of 5 paise means it will be 15 paise. So what will be this total value if you add? It will be 25 plus 15, 40 plus 20, 60 paise, which they are saying that 30 rupees. 60 paise means you can say that 0.6 rupees or 0.6x na in terms of this. 0.x is equal to 30. So value of x will be 30 by 0.6. That means it will be equals to 50. So what they have asked you here, how many 5 paise coins are there? So how many 5 paise coins are there? 5 paise coins are the 5 paise ke coins. That means they are asking you about these 3. So 5 paise coins will be equals to 3x, where value of x is a 50. So it will be equals to 150. So your answer will be option number C. That is the 150 will be the. That's it. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 16 is here. A wire can be bent in the form of a circle of radius 56. If it is bent in the form of square, then its area. Now circumference of wire will be equal, circumference of circle will be equals to perimeter of square. Is it? So it will be what? 2 pi r is equals to 4 times of this side. So what is the r here? R they have given as a 56. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 56 is equal to 4 into side of the square. So what will it be? 7 ones are 7 8s are 4 ones are 4 2s are 22 4s are will be 88. So side of the square will be equals to what? 88. But they have asked you what will be the area of the square. So what will be the area? Area is equal to side ka square. That means 88 square. Now from the option you can see 8 square means unit digit will be 4. And there is only one option which having unit digit 1. So square will be equals to 7744. That will be your answer. That's it. So you can use the options here. If there were two options with unit digit 4, you can find out the square of 88 also. You know the tricks, right? So let's go for the next question now. A lent rupees 5,000 to B for 2 years and 3,000 to C for 4 years on the simple interest at the same rate of interest and receive 2,200 in all from both of as the interest, the rate of interest will be. Now for this one, first one is what? 5,000 rupees at our rate for 2 years plus 3,000 rupees at same rate of interest for 4 years, and this total sum is equal to 2,200. So how will you solve it now? If you see this double zero cancel, double zero cancel. 52s are 100 R plus 34s are 120 R is equal to double zero. This will be 220 R is equal to 2200. So you can say double zero cancel. This will be 10 times. So R will be equals to 10%. That's it. Answer will be option number B. Easier. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 18 is here. A train overtakes two persons who are walking in the same directions in which the train is going. Direction is the same. That means their relative speed will get subtracted. Same direction is given for the relative speed. Then they are saying that their speed of those persons are what? 2 km per hour and 4 km per hour and passes them completely in a 9 and 10 seconds respectively. Now listen, that train is crossing a person. So distance will be only the length of the train, isn't it? They have asked you what is the length of the train. Distance is nothing but the length of the train because that train is crossing a person and that person do not have any own length because person is a standing object. I know it's a moving but it does not have any length. So distance will be equals to what? Distance will be the length of the train which will be the same for both. So distance is equal to speed into time. So S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2 because distance is the same. So for the first person, what will be the speed? Speed will be the relative speed where train of the, let's see that speed of the train is a S and speed of the person is a 2. It will get subtracted. Why subtracted? Because those are in a same direction. S minus 2, then it required a 9 seconds, which is equal to S minus 4, then it required a 10 seconds. If you solve it, what will you get? 9s minus 18 is equal to 10s minus 40. 9 minus 1, 10, 1s is equal to 22. So speed we get a 20. So if you substitute here, what will be the distance? Because this one is equal to distance. Distance will be equal to s minus 2 into 9. That means 22 minus 2 into 9. But if you observe, this 9 was in the seconds and your options are in the meter and this 22 is in a kilometer per hour. So we require to multiply by 5 by 18 to convert it into the meter. So it will be equals to what? 20 into 9 into 5 by 18. So how much it will be? 9 into 2, 2 into 10. 5 tens are 50. So your answer will be equals to 50 here. That is the option number B will be the. I hope you understood this. Now let's go for the next question. The surface area of a sphere is same as the curved surface area of the right circular cylinder whose height and diameter are 12 centimeter each, the radius of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere is equals to curved surface area of right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. So what will be the area? What will be the formula for this? 4 pi r square is equal to, this one is what? 2 pi r h. This will be a formula. So they are saying this one. What they have given you? Height and diameter is given. Height of this cylinder is a 12. If diameter is a 12, what will be the radius? First thing, this will be what? Pi will get cancelled. Pi will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 into r square is equal to, r is what? If diameter is given as a 12, so obviously r will be equals to half of 12. That means 6. So it will be 6. Height is a 12. So what will it be? 2 ones are 2 6 are. R square will be 36. So r will be equals to 6. And they had asked you what is the radius of the sphere. So answer will be option number C. 6 centimeter. Isn't it easier? Now let's go for the last question of this video. So before solving this last question, if you are enjoying this video, if you like this, then don't forget to like. You have to subscribe the channel if you are new here, and also you have to share with your friends also who are preparing. And let's go for this question now. Last one, a box contains 20 electric bulbs, out of which 4 are defective. 2 bulbs are chosen at random from this box. The probability that at least one of this is a defective. At least one defective, that means one is also acceptable. At least one, or means plus 2 defective are also acceptable. Is it? If there is a one, if I am saying that one is a defective, 4 are defective, that means out of 20, 4 are defective, so 16 will be non-defective. So out of these 4, one is a defective, then one is a non-defective, which is out of the 16. Whole divided by 20 C2, because we are taking a 2 out of 20. Or both are defective, that means out of these 4 I am taking a or both 2. Both 2 are the defective from this 4 only, divided by 20 C. So if I take a 20 C2 in the denominator as the 20 into 19 divided by 2 into 1, what will be this value? 4C1 is a 4, 16C is a 16. Plus what will be this value? 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what will it become? 2 ones are 2 tens are. 4 6 are 16. 4 into 16 will be 64 plus 6 whole divided by 19 into 10 will be 190. So this one will be what? 70 divided by 190. So you can see 0 0 cancelled. So this will be equals to 7 by 9. That is your option number B will be the answer. That's it. It was your last question. I hope you have understood all the questions. You have enjoyed this video. Again, I am saying don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching the video. And again, if you haven't watched the previous 5 parts, then must watch those questions. All are important. And don't forget to watch the next part also. See you again in the next one. Bye-bye. Take care and stay safe.